sharp one. Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to another video. It's pretty windy outside, but it's still pretty nice. It's about 50 degrees out. I'll take it in March. Today, just want to do a quick video. Pull out the GoPro, strap it to my head, look like an idiot, and just drive the car for you guys. Just have a little fun with the car. It's a lot of fun to drive. Okay, so right off the bat, we're gonna engage the fun buttons. What you do is you wanna not only press it, you wanna press and hold to get both of the traction controls off. So now your traction control is completely off. I'm gonna coast down the driveway. It's kind of nice thing about having a driveway that's a little bit of an angle. You save yourself reverse by not going into it as much, which is a huge plus, you know? Gotta save that tranny. Save the trannies! As I've said before, it's still going off. That's annoying. So 1-4 shift right there, 100% proof. That's a pain in the ass. It doesn't want you to shift in a second, but it only happens sometimes. And it's just, it's an annoyance. I'm not sure what it is. Comment down below, you know what the hell is going on with that. I'm sure I could Google it, but I'm lazy. I've let 3 people drive it, including my brother. Now my brother has a Honda Civic Si that's got about just over 200 horsepower. So he got in this thing. Nobody's stalled it yet. So I'm sure I'm gonna stall it in this video for you, but I haven't stalled it yet. Nobody's stalled it yet. So that goes to show how easy this car is to drive. It's really a blast. We're gonna pull out here. We got this guy getting the mail. Oh God, he looks like he's 90. Stay strong, buddy. All right, so we're gonna about half throttle. I haven't put it all the way to the floor yet. I've done a couple of tire slips that my foot probably has gone pretty close to the floor. You know, when you're in the moment, it's kind of difficult to judge or think about. So, but this car, it's hasn't been much. Well, actually, let's take this road. The brakes are pretty well. I think she needs new pads because she does shake a little bit at higher speeds. She's torquey. She's got the torque. Now this is a 100% stock car. All they've done is exhaust, and now I've done the intake. Other than that, all stock. And this is it. So let's see here. Well, I actually kind of wanted to go down that road. So just driving wise, it's nice and fun. You get the pops in the background. I hate saying this, but this has got to be right up near the top, and this is an old car. Right up near the top of my favorite cars so far. So let's see what we can do here. Hopefully there's not a lot of police officer activity. So that was a pretty good rip. Aussie rear end, both tires go. I have to say, I will never get sick of that. That is so much fun. I cannot wait to get these winter tires off and get some real meaty ass tires on the rear. This car is, it's just so fun. Like, this car is so fun. Hey, why don't you give me a package? Been waiting on my pistons for weeks now. Granted, it's probably not coming in the mail, but So we're waiting on the pistons to come in. I got the rods. I'm just waiting on the Malley pistons to come in, and then they're all going to the shop, and he can get started on the block putting those together. And then it's cam, springs, retainers, tuning and upgrade, all the goodies, intake, manifold. So even though I got this for fun, I gotta stay focused on my build for Betty and being a drag car. And there you go. Like, this is the shop. I am so close to work, it's quite ridiculous. There's the old girl. Hi truck, how you doing? I've missed this truck. I haven't missed that though. I don't miss that. I got a lot of shit in here. God dang. Alright. Let's see. I should probably grab this. Got this car cover. So I'll grab this. And I also need to pay that ticket over there. Yeah, that's it. Oh, we got a scratchy too. $10, I gotta turn that in. Sweet! Anything else? I think that's it. Cool. Alright, I'm gonna head to the gym. We're gonna do a little bit of driving while we're at it. Look at that beast of a friggin' truck right there. Shout out to Adams Auto Care and Hooks It. He's helping me out with the truck. We got a lot of traffic. It's a frickin' beast though. Just uses it for advertising. Pretty good idea, I guess. Certainly got me looking as I pass by it. All right, if traffic ever lets up, might be able to do a little rip here. Come on now. There we go. So I do enjoy this car quite a bit. Quite a bit. It is quite fun. We're gonna open up the windows just a little bit here. We're gonna get a nice downshift under the bridge. Into the corner. Windows up. Now mind you, I am on snow tires. I will be getting road tires. I haven't decided what tire to go with yet. I think I am just going to clean up the rims. I'm going to take that god-awful plasti dip off, have somebody get it back to chrome or repaint them, like actually paint them, and then get some new tires. So here we go. That's fast. So that was probably 3/4. Certainly didn't hit the floor. I'm a little scared to hit the floor just yet. Now, it's nothing crazy. It's nothing uncontrollable. Like I said, this is a stock SS. Highway, 6 gear. Pretty much the speed limit. Super quiet. You can easily talk to yourself, not droning at all. I would not mind driving this daily. I'm gonna turn my headlights on here. It's just a fun car to drive. It really doesn't handle that bad. It's just, I don't want to say I've already gotten used to the power, but it's not a crazy amount of power by any means. It's a heavy car. This car is over 3,800 pounds, which you think is a lot. It's actually only 100 pounds more than the Audi. The Audi is pretty heavy. She's a heavy girl too. So you got a lot of weight thrown around in the corners. And I really haven't had the opportunity to test out the suspension. Obviously I don't have the best tire setup right now, but it still feels good to cruise around the road, feel the corners, feel how it handles going into the corners, coming out of the corners, finding the right gear. So I got a road, we're headed to my buddy Ray's house. He lives on a road that is a pretty good test road, and it's actually one of the very few roads in Deerfield that doesn't have a speed limit, which is really rare. So we're gonna do some testing. I'm gonna throw it in the corners, see how she does, and take you guys along for the ride. I really haven't had a chance to open this car up on the turns. When I went up north, there were plenty of roads that were twisty and windy and whatnot, but it was snowing really bad, so I'm not gonna risk it for the biscuit on some snowy roads, but I will on some clean roads. The power delivery in the pedal is pretty insane. Pretty much anywhere in the pedal, if you give it some, it's going to respond. It's a sharp one. Handle that pretty well. I'm pretty impressed. Now there's not a lot of play in the pedal, the brake pedal. You can feel the Brembo is working, but could probably use new pads. Feels comfortable hugging the road, even with the winter tires. Now, I try not to be an idiot with oncoming traffic, but you can guarantee once there's no traffic, I'm laying into her. Alright, let's see how she does coming up here. Not too bad. All right. I'm pretty happy. This is a lot of car for $12,000. Yeah, I'm happy with that.